Hey guys, today we will learn how to update your device driver and Windows 11. So let's start. We get to our computer settings, and now to get to your computer settings, we get to computer management. Manage. So for this we get to device manager. So to make it work, as we can see, these drivers are not up to date and gives our user attention. So we click on update. So we can update automatically, or we can also get to check on the Windows update. So here we have these advanced options, and here we have these optional updates. So here, as we can see, we have no updates. So if we can also turn it on, and here we can see that we have no automatic method for the drivers we want to install. We can also use the scan hardware changes, or we have to download this manually, and then we have to browse it from the software we want to install. So with this method we can install any of our hardware software using the Windows automatic update method. Or if it doesn't solve with this, so suppose we want to install the software for graphics card NVIDIA. So as we can see, so we have to get to the location, and here we can see that we have all these information given to us. So with these method we can search the model number, its operating system, file type, and then search it out, and we can download the relevant drivers. So I hope you have learned how to update your device driver in Windows 11. Thank you for watching.